If you get a rude email at work, take a moment to calm down before you respond. Ask yourself what the sender really meant. It's hard to read tone when you can't see someone's face or hear their voice, so their message might come across harsher than they meant it to. You can also send a polite message asking them to clarify, or even set up a call or an in-person meeting to get a better idea of what they're trying to say. If the email is obviously meant to be rude, sometimes it's best to avoid responding altogether. But if you do answer, keep it calm and professional. Write a short answer that sticks to the facts and addresses their concerns without making accusations or responding with rude comments of your own. For extremely rude or abusive messages, you might want to reach out to a supervisor or human resources.